Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so this is what I was expecting. I did have an alarm, and the text was, what the hell, man? Wasn't that? Let me hear. Message that I put yesterday. Increasing odds for a new lower low. Okay, so this is an alarm I put yesterday. I'm going to go into 15 minutes, so now it makes more sense. So why? Okay, so we have this scenario here that we had a possible maybe situation for 5-way up, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 actually did reach a very interesting level, and after that we had this correction, right? So it was looking great, and an A, a B, and actually the B could have been actually a triangle maybe, and then doing the C, but you can see that now everything is falling apart. And I know now there is still the possibility for people who really are stubborn and really want to absolutely see it as something more bullish. They're going to say, you know what, this was an ABC for a wave 1, okay, and this now is going to be a wave 2, and a third wave is going to come, and so the fourth, and so the fifth. Okay, fine. I do believe now we're going to make a slightly new lower low, but let's see, right? So diagonal, I know for a wave 2 I can even give more room, so here we go. So price should not go below 75,510, otherwise this setting kind of going to start to fall apart. Now I'm not even sure I can call this an ABC for the wave A, ABC for the wave B. Yeah, okay, let me do that. It wouldn't be the nicest one. A, B, and C. Okay, and I'm doing that because one of my friends, well, actually several of my friends, they're really convinced that this is happening. So what am I doing here? Okay, that's good. No, it's this one that kind of annoys me. There you go. Okay, so this one, do I need to change something? Going to put it here. Ah, yeah, here, need to change. Okay, so now you can see that if I do that, the C wave spot, sweet spot target would be the 1.618 since we are below the 1-to-1 ratio, 76,221 or 222, and 0.618, 76,307. Let's see if something happened there. I'm going to move my alarm a little bit below this level, those two levels, and see how it goes. And if it goes below, then I'm going to move it here. And if we lose, once again, the 75K, to me, probability are crazy high that we're going to make a new lower low, and we shall see. If we do, then I'm going to jump and scale in like crazy. No, I'm joking. Not like crazy, but what is the next following level? Well, I did draw a box here. So it's between 71,100 and 70,800 to round it up a little bit. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. You can see that. Yeah, what happened with the line here? There you go. So 66,610, it's also a level where we can go. Do I think we need to go there? Technically, we don't need to. But technically, we would need another nice lower low. So this is why 72,800 also I would be happy with it. I'm going to start to scale in Bitcoin. I didn't really move in, so for me this is the time. Also on the daily, you know, I believe we're going to go a little bit lower, and in the RSI, and it's a no-brainer. A lot of time, or most of the time, when Bitcoin is oversold, rarely has been a bad idea for people to accumulate. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.